Well, hey there everybody, how y'all doing? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day or night, and welcome back to my channel as always. I'm Deluxe. Alright, let's do another What's New in Transformers. Heck freaking yeah. This is where I sit around and talk about new Transformers, old Transformers. I don't have them in hand yet. I will probably get them, but I just like to, talk about some new stuff and some older stuff and everything. So sit back and relax and let's talk about some freaking Transformers. Alright, alright, alright. And up first, as always, add-on kits, add-on kits, add-on kits for days, and we got new stuff from 115 Utopia. We have an upcoming Windsweeper kit. So it looks like you get a new chest, you get his weapons, so you can attach them on the side or up on the top and everything. Looks like you can turn them around, that's about it. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, it kind of looks like the original G1. So there you go, 115 Utopia, upcoming Windsweeper kit. Golly, that was a tongue tester. Jeebus. And we got new stuff from FunBee Studios. So we got a gap filler for the Origin Bumblebee jetpack. So yeah, looks like we got a little, waffle fillers. Everybody loves that kind of thing. So I'm thinking that's a jetpack from them, and I guess they filled it in with a little gap filler or anything like so. That's pretty cool. So yeah, with FunBee Studios, you have to join their Patreon, and you can download their files, and you can 3D print them and everything. So that's pretty cool. I'll put all that in the information or the description, and you can go check that out. So there's gap fillers for Origin's Bumblebee jetpack. All right, so I found this stuff on Toy Hacks Armory. I'm going to put their Facebook page in the description. You can go follow them. It's reprolabels.com, so they used to be called, but now they're called Toy Hacks. But it looks like they got a weapon set for the Legacy Insecticons. So we got we got Barrage, Chop Shop, and looks like Ransack and everything. So we're getting their original G1 weapons. So that's pretty cool. That's awesome. They look really good. And I may try to get these, to finish off the Deluxe Insecticons. So that's pretty cool. Just waiting for Venom to come out. Come on, Hasbro, let's go. But yeah, there's some new weapons for the Legacy Insecticons, or Deluxe Insecticons. And they also got some new weapons for the Stunticons from Legacy as well. So it looks like we got, Motormaster, all the, drag strip and everything, so that's pretty cool. Dead End. And they're really shiny too. I like some shiny weapons. I love metallic paint on a Transformer and weapons. It looks really good. So there you go. We got weapons for Stunticons, and they're online as well. So try to get those if you want to for toyhacks.com. All right, good stuff. Alright, let's move on to third-party legends, and we got new picks from Iron Factory IFEX65 Spear of Marbus. This is their Leozak. I'm really friggin' excited to get this. I think he should be shipping from, or should be coming in from Show Z pretty soon, so hopefully ship pretty soon as well. Really enjoying this. He is the fourth member to form Lyle Kaiser, and we'll just need the two arms, and hopefully we'll get done by the end of the year, maybe. Hopefully we'll get that by that, but I'm excited for this. Looks really good. Love the alt mode, love the bot mode, so it looks really good. So yeah, there's Iron Factory IFEX65 Spear of Marbus, and this is their Leozak, and yeah, can't wait to get my freaking collection. And I came across this pick. It looks pretty cool. This is Magic Square Toys. This is MSB46, 46A, 46E, and 46F. This is Light of Victory. This is their Legend Scale Optimus Prime, and you can tell there's differences, not a whole lot, but the one on the left has the silver legs, and you got the white legs, and you got the gray legs, and the windows, two of them got the clear ones, and then you got the painted ones as well, kind of like the metallic blue and everything. So you get to see the front, the back, them touching guns and stuff and everything. So I thought it'd be pretty cool to show this. There's not a whole lot of news for the Legend Scale this week, so I'll throw this in. So there is Magic Square Toys, the Light of Victory, and all four Optimus Primes. Looks pretty cool. Alright, up next we got Bylon Toys, which we hadn't talked about them in a little bit, but they keep showing the same prototype pics. We just get the alt modes for this one, and looks like Jetfire's a pretty big boy. So yeah, this is from Revenge of the Fallen. This is Optimus Prime and Jetfire will combine in bot mode and everything. So like I said, I've been showing these pics for a while, but these are some newer pics. So hopefully, they're moving along, and we'll get to see some, some paint on this eventually, and hopefully they'll come out pretty soon. So there you go, Bylon Toys, Optimus Prime, and Jetfire from Revenge of the Fallen. Alright, let's combine. Alright, let's move on to third-party Masterpiece news. We got new, looks like renders from Xtransbots Toys. This is MM-44 Gravedigger. This is their Scavenger. So it looks like he's going to come in at 21 centimeters tall. He has 3 alternative heads, small gun, and the bigger gun, I guess, coming for Devastator. And that also the bigger gun is going to have LED lights inside of it, so that's pretty cool. It looks like it's going to have die-cast parts as well. So yeah, I'm not going in for Xtransbots for the 15 other Devastators that are out there. I have the Toy World one, and I think I'm gonna get the Fans Toys ones for my bot modes and everything. But this looks pretty cool. So like I said, can't wait to see some prototype pics of this. So there's some renders of Xtransbots MM44 Gravedigger. This is their scavenger. All right. And also from Xtransbots, we got some more renders, in which I think we've already seen renders of this guy. I wish they'd hurry up and put out their Defensor. But this is the Protectobots. This is Xian, I think is how you say it. This is their blades. He's coming in at 20.5 centimeters tall. He's going to have a gun. Looks like a cartoon version landing gear, a toy version landing gear as well. You got 4 replacement faces. You get a pistol. He is going to have die cast as well. He's going to be fully metallically painted, which Xtransbots does a really good job for their paint and everything. But yeah, I think we've seen this before, so I don't know how far along they're on, going, or how far along they're with their, Protectobots, finishing them. So it may be until, it's probably going to be next year before we even get to finish this. They may do a Fans Toys thing. We may get these late, 5 years later or something. Who knows? But there you go. There's Xtransbots, and this is their blades, or Xian, I guess how you say it. And yeah, some more render pics. Yay! And we got some new prototype pics from King Toys. This is CT-Lanyan. This is 0T. This is their Terra Howl. It starts with a P, but I'm guessing that P is probably silent. But this is their version of their swoop and everything from the Dinobots and everything, and this is going to combine as well. This, like I said, this is going to be their second, release figure. Hopefully, this comes out pretty soon. Man, this wingspan is freaking huge. I cannot wait to mess around with this one. So I got the Snarl, and he's pretty good. So looking forward to these as well. So there you go. This is King Toys CT-Lanyan, and this is their Teeter Howl, I guess, or this is their version of swoop. And like I said, they are heavy stylized. So if you don't like that kind of thing, you may not like these, but this thing looks pretty freaking wicked. I'm excited. All right, up next, I have no idea what this freaking is, but looks pretty wicked. So this is the Oddly Double Diamond Quantum Rangers Dinosaur Guardian Raptor Bolt Wing and Mosea Storm. Like I said, I don't know what this is. It kind of looks like a mixture of Zoids and Beast Wars and G1. The red and blue one kind of got the Optimus Prime colors. He turns into this like truck, but he's got like a dragon head in front of him or something, like a lizard or something. So I don't know what that is. Now the purple one, I guess, could be Galvatron colors. This is actually a triple changer. He turns into like a tank kind of thing going on, and then he also turns into like a dragon. So that's pretty wicked. Like I said, I don't know what these are. If I do get some more information, or if anybody else knows some more information about these, definitely hit me in the comments, because they look pretty wicked. They look pretty cool. So yeah, this is, I'm just gonna say this is the Quantum Rangers Dinosaur and Guardian Raptor Bolt Wing. And yeah, this looks pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know what these are, but pretty cool. And we got some new pics from Venomously Addicted Photography. Definitely check him out on Facebook. I'll put everything in the description. He takes some really great pics. But we got MPU, which is the thrust, and we got comparisons with the iGear PP03A Attack. We also have comparison with knockoff MP52 Ghost Starscream and Deformation Space DS01 Crimson Wing, which is their Starscream. Everything. So we got a comparison. But like I said, yeah, go check him out, man. He really does some great pictures, and I like looking at them. So there you go. This is MPU 01 Thrust, and we got some comparisons. I also came across this. I don't know who this is. I mean, definitely hit me up in the comments. Tell me what this is. It said it's not confirmed whether or not this is a figure being made or a custom-made figure. And it looks like he's in the comics. And he's talking about skids. Kind of looks like maybe a lockdown, maybe, or something like that. A lockdown type figure or something. But like I said, I don't know for sure who this is. Definitely help me out with that. But like I said, it's not confirmed whether this is a custom or if this is going to be really a figure made or anything like that. And don't know who the company is if they are making it as well. But thought I'd show you off this. And yeah, it looks pretty cool, man. I like the spikes on the chest, man. It looks really nice. So there you go. All right, so it looks like IronTrans is back. I didn't even know they were gone. So it looks like this says, hello, we are finally back. After many design upgrades and remakes, we got IR-V02 Lion King, which is their Victory Leo, has finally reached the ideal standards of the team. Sincerely apologize for the, thank you for the support and everything. So it looks like this is going to have metal joints, going to have full painting. It looks like combined is going to be 42 centimeters tall, which is pretty big. So they got some 3D simulation pictures to show you that and everything. So yeah, I read a comment saying that he had this on pre-order for like 3 years. So like I said, I didn't know they were gone, but it looks like they're back. So it looks like IronTrans and their Victory Leo is finally going to come out hopefully pretty soon or sometime next year or something, because these are just render pics. But we'll see. So yay! Alright, we got some new picks from Magic Square Toys MS03. This is their Heavy Gunner, their Brawl, and this is the MP scale one. Now, I showed you last week about this, so we do get to see some bot mode picks and everything. Now, we do see little comparisons with the MSB51 Heavy Gunner, the Legend scale one. But yeah, this is pretty cool. We also get to see the foot as well, the parts forming foot for him, so that's pretty nice as well. So we're looking pretty, looking forward to this. A lot of people are excited for this because they always say, I would buy Magic Square if they were bigger. Well, now you have your chance. I really hope they just stick to more Legend scale because they are Legend, more of a Legend scale company. But they did do Optimus Prime. A lot of people want Megatron as well. Hopefully, down the line they make a Megatron down there, so it'd be pretty cool. But yeah, so they're working on the Combaticons. I'm excited for that because he's my favorite combiner. But here you go. This is Magic Square Toys MS03. This is Heavy Gunner, also known as Brawl, and this is their MP scale one. And yay! Can't wait. Excited. Alright, so the last thing we're going to talk about is Xtransbots MX61 Ballistic, and they are doing Target Masters. I'm so excited. This is Misfire. So I did a little video yesterday about don't screw this up with Xtransbots because I really don't want them to. So a friend of the channel, the Titan, stated that Keith said that the transformation is going to be easy. It's not going to be complex like the other stuff, which is really good because most of the time they're a pain in the tank to transform. So really looking forward to that. I really like that Xtransbots is doing things that other companies are not doing. But I was expecting Fans Toys to put out some render pics as well, like they do. But if you don't mind, go watch it's like a 5-minute video I did yesterday about it and everything. So looking forward to this. You get the Target Master, which is aimless. You get the cockpit opens up. I don't know if he can fit in there. It looks a little too big for it. But we'll see. You can actually attach it on the alt mode as well. The bot mode looks good. Now you also get a youth version, and that's going to come with stickers and a toy deco kind of head sculpt. And it looks like these pre-orders will be coming up pretty soon. And the youth version is slated for 2025. I don't know if the Toon deco is going to be released this year. It'd be pretty cool if it was, but with Xtransbots, they put out a lot of renders and they just ain't putting out a lot of stuff. So I hope they go back and start putting out their stuff they want to come out. But I'm really hoping to get these because I really want the Target Masters. You got Slug Slinger and Trigger Happy, so really excited for that. So there you go. This is Xtransbots MX61 Ballistic, and this is their Misfire. Alright, moving on to official Transformer news. It looks like Transformer Generation selects Legacy United GoBot 3-pack out in Canada. It was found in GameStop, so happy hunting. And we got some new official Transformer 1 character posters by Trends International. So these new posters feature Starscream, Soundwave, Robot, and Alt Mode, Orion Pax, D16, B127 Robot and Alt Mode and Transformation Sequence, and a group poster with Sentinel Prime in the center. Alright, so we got some new official Transformer 1 character posters. So we got some new stuff from Walmart's Transformers 1 AR Experience. So just browse with a mobile, iOS, or Android to this link, which I'll put in the description, and you can access to Optimus Prime, Orion Pax, D16 Megatron, B127 Bumblebee, and Lita 1 profiles, toys, and data. You can also take an AR photo or video and explore and find some Energon to unlock the B127 Bumblebee mobile wallpaper. So yeah, you got a good chance to go on the Walmart website and do some AR experience for Walmart's Transformers 1. Good stuff. So it looks like Jada Toys Turbo G1 Jazz was found in U.S. retail. This was found in Texas, so happy hunting. All right, so we get our first look at Burger King Transformers 1 Orion Pax Optimus Prime. So last time I talked about, we had, the Burger King had the B127 Bumblebee Alt Mode and the Lita 1 Robot Mode, which were found, and nobody's announced this really, but they have some, early leaks and everything. So this is to learn that there will be 6 Transformer 1 toys, which will be likely available next month. Boxes with the toys have been distributed now and everything. So yeah, if you like some Burger King, like some Transformers, here's your chance to get some. First look at Optimus Prime Orion Pax. Well, to go off that, we got official images of Burger King Kids Meals Transformer 1 toys. All right. So we have first look at the complete set of 6 toys. Optimus Prime Orion Pax in robot mode. Bumblebee is going to be in robot mode. Alita 1 is going to be in robot mode. Optimus Prime Orion Pax alt mode. Then we got Bumblebee 127 alt mode and Alita 1 alt mode as well. So yeah, it looks like they're going to be coming out next month of September. So yeah, everybody get ready for some Burger King, some toys, and Transformers 1 the movie. All right, good stuff. And we got some in-packet images of Hot Wheels Transformers Bumblebee Gold variant. So this is a very shiny gold redeco of the Hot Wheels Transformers Bumblebee diecast vehicle we have previously seen. While many fans may think this could be related to Goldbug or GT version, Hot Wheels tends to do different paint jobs on cars and sell them within the same year and on the same wave as well. So there you go. Impact image of Hot Wheels Transformers Bumblebee Gold variant. Then we got a Transformers 1 Orion Pax Optimus Prime promotional poster. So this is going to be a cel-shaded style poster featuring Orion Pax Optimus Prime with the 4 main characters in the center. So this is going to be a promotional poster for Transformers 1 Orion Pax Optimus Prime, and it looks pretty freaking wicked. So it looks like Skybound's Daniel Warren Johnson participated in a Reddit AMA, which is a Ask Me Anything, in which he shared some following points related to the run for Skybound's Transformers comic series. He says, "I'm having a blast writing it now with George Corona and Mike Spicer actually saying the art. I am going to be writing for a total of 24 issues, which is freaking awesome. I'm excited. I hope they do more issues. I'm sure they will. They're keeping it strictly G1 and everything. I'll put everything else in the description if you want to read that, but this is freaking awesome. I'm excited. I highly recommend, if anybody loves comics and Transformers, you will definitely love the Skybound." So there is Daniel Ward Johnson answering some questions. So like last time, it looks like we got a new Transformers 1 promotional clip from Paramount Taiwan. Looks like it's going to be a 30-second new clip. Be aware there are spoilers, so if you don't want to watch it, do not click on it or anything like that, but I'll put everything in the description if you want to check it out. But there you go, there's another promotional clip from Paramount Taiwan for the Transformers 1 movie. It looks like Transformers Beast Wars original soundtrack available for streaming. So officially announced in the release of June, it was postponed to August 23rd for the very first digital release of the Beast Wars or Beasties soundtrack. 10 tracks from the Beast Wars show is available via Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and YouTube. I'll put the track list if you want to look at that in the description. You can go check that out. So there you go, Transformers Beast Wars original soundtrack available for streaming. All right, first look at our Yellow Park AMK series Transformers 1 figure package images. So we officially talked about this last time with the stock images. We got new Transformer 1 characters under Yellow Park's easy to build AMK series. All parts will come pre-assembled and pre-painted, so basically just attach the limbs. Now we will look at the packaging of COG mode of Orion Pax Optimus Prime. We get Megatron, Bumblebee, and Leader 1. A very nice presentation with the opening cover, which reveals the parts of each bot. We also have a sneak peek of the upcoming AMK Optimus Prime and Megatron final forms, which will also be released at the end of the year. Each figure will be on the Yellow Park website for $14.99 each for the COGless and $29.99 for the COG characters. And if you order $99 or more, you also get the stands for the Orion Pax, Bumblebee, Leader 1, and Megatron as well. So there you go, Yellow Park MK Series Transformer 1 figure package images. All right, can't wait to get these, man. They look freaking awesome. All right, looks like we have a new collaboration, Transformers 1 and Excision. I guess that's how you say it. Hasbro's partnered with the Canadian DJ and producer Excision on an original Transformers 1 inspired track and custom visuals featuring the iconic characters and moments from the upcoming film. Show kicked off at the Bass Cannon Musical Festival at George Amphitheater in Washington to a crowd of 27,000 attendees. Extension is a lifelong Transformer fan, and his early music took inspiration from the sounds of Transformers. That's pretty cool. So there you go, another collaboration, Transformer 1 and Excision. I hope that's how you say it. And in more Transformer 1 news, it looks like Evan Michael Lee has confirmed as Jazz voice in the new Transformers 1 movie. So American voice actor Evan Michael Lee has just confirmed on his Twitter and X account that he will be voicing Jazz in the upcoming Transformers 1 movie. So that's pretty cool. So this is going to be out September 20th. Cannot wait. So there you go. Evan Michael Lee is going to be Jazz in Transformers 1. All right, we got some new pics from 30 DLX Transformers Rise of the Beast Optimus Primal, and he should be coming out pretty soon. I'm really excited for this. These are beautiful freaking pictures, man. Oh my gosh, so much detail to it. I love it. And like I said, I cannot wait to get this figure. Some other people have already got them already and reviewed them. I'm not going to watch them because I want to get this first and then do my review, and then I'll go back and watch some of them. But man, this thing looks freaking beautiful, wicked, all that good stuff, man. Just looks nice and great pictures. So this 30 Deluxe Transformers Rise of the Beast Optimus Primal, and can't wait to get my freaking collection. Let's go. And we got some in-hand pics of Transformer Generation Comic Edition Decepticons Straxus. So this is part of the series that they already did Grimlock and they did Shockwave as well. I do have this one on pre-order. It looks pretty cool. He's going to be leader scale, and like I said, going to be comic edition. And we get to see the alt mode and the bot mode and the box he comes in. So it looks really nice. Really excited for this. So hopefully it'll be coming out pretty soon. So there you go, Transformers Generation Comic Edition Decepticons Straxus. All right, great stuff. Now it looks like we got some in-hand pics of 30 Premium Class Transformers Bumblebee, the Gold Edition, or Golden Lagoon, or whatever you can call it, G2 Goldbug. Yeah, This looks freaking awesome and huge. So we can see the box, how he comes in, how you can display and everything. Get him next to the other Bumblebees. A bunch of group shots with the Optimus Primes and stuff as well. You can see the difference between the deluxe and the premium scale, and it's really a big difference. These are pretty expensive. I think this one's going for like $600-700 maybe, give or take, around that area. But man, it looks freaking awesome. I love some 3.0. So there you go, premium class Transformers Bumblebee, the gold edition, and man, that looks spectacular. So shiny. Alright, so last thing we're going to talk about is, looks like Transformers Studio Series A6 Optimus Prime has some misassembled heels. As you can tell in the top pic, the blue bar is supposed to go on top of it. The way to fix it is you have to pop out a pin to switch it out. Now, like I said, I've been reading through the comments. I don't see, if it's causing anything or any issues. It just doesn't look right. They do have pictures in the instructions how it's supposed to be as well. I'll show you a picture of that. But I don't know for sure if it's causing any issues or anything like that. If it's going to change, if it disrupts the transformation or anything like that. It just kind of looks funny, I guess, or off or something like that. So I don't know for sure. Once I get some more information, if they do put out some more information, I will put that out. But yeah, it looks like Optimus Prime for Studio Series is already have a misassembled QC issue. I don't know for sure if it's for all of them. Like I said, he is out overseas. I haven't heard anything, anybody talking about it yet. But I just found this picture and thought I'd show you and everything. So there you go. Studio Series A6 Optimus Prime is already having troubles. Maybe? Who knows. Alright folks, that's all this week for news, and once again, jam-packed full of great stuff, man. Xtransbots putting out more renders, not putting out figures, just putting out more renders, but I am excited for that Misfire. It looks good. It looks like IronTrans is back, even though I didn't know they were gone, so yeah, there you go. That we got 3.0, that deluxe Optimus Primal looks beautiful. I cannot wait for that. The premium Bumblebee. Just a lot of great stuff, man. It's a great time to be a Transformer collector, as always. So hit me up on likes, shares, prayers, and Care Bears. Hit that sub button for me if you don't mind. It all helps out the channel. Hit me up some comments. Tell me your thought. Are you excited for any of this stuff? And I guess I'll see you in the next What's New in Transformers. And as always, be good to yourself. Man, hail freaking Transformers. And good night, folks.